Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to time travel or how to freeze time, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure that the microwave it's at 10 seconds. Now, a microwave actually can be a time machine. So what you do, you press start. Now for this to work, you have to make sure that it's at 1 second, right? So you close it. And that's how you time travel. You take 1 second back each time you press this button. Yep, that's how it works.